What's up guys, Mr. Eddy here. Today we will be doing origami, but not just any origami dogs. But first let's talk about what origami is. Origami is the art of folding paper. The word survives from the Japanese word ori, which means folding, and then kami, which means paper. Origami is basically just a way of folding paper without glue or scissors or anything like that. It's just you and a piece of paper. Okay? That's where origami comes from. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to make the origami dog. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you're gonna need is some paper. Alright? Second thing, scissors. But be careful with them. Third thing is markers. Now, this is how we gotta get started. So first, fold your paper into a triangle. Don't worry about it being sloppy, it's fine. You fold it nice and neatly, or neatly as you can, doesn't matter. That's how it's gonna turn out. Now, the rectangle that you see there, take your scissors and start cutting the rectangle as close as you can to the line. That's fine. You should end up with just triangle paper, just like this. Now you fold it again into another triangle. And you should end up with something like this. Now unfold it, and now you should have a straight line down the middle where you folded it at. Just like that. Now, what you gotta do next is that you fold almost halfway to the middle. Just like that. And that will be the one of the ears. Next is time for the other ear. See, we're almost done. See, that's how it's gonna look in the front, and this is how it's gonna look in the back. Now next is gonna be the top part. This is just so you can fold the top of it a little bit, just like that. Then you fold the bottom the same way. You should end up with this. That's how it looks in the back. That's how it looks in the front. We're almost done. Now, all we're gonna do is take our marker, just regular marker, and start decorating. Now, what I did some eyes first. That's the most easiest, and then we do a nose. And I'm gonna fast forward this because this is pretty easy. Then we do a mouth right below the nose as well, and also put a little tongue because why not? It's a dog. And that decorated it, made it look nice. Put some spots everywhere because who doesn't like a spotty dog? You can make yours any way you want, and that's how it's gonna look when you're done and coloring it. Also, what I also did for each dog, I named it. I named mine Oreo just because he has spots. And that's how you do it. Alright guys, that's how you make your puppy. I hope you love it. And on top of that, show us what you made, alright? We would love to see what you guys made, alright? Till next time, see ya.